L'écoutez.
They happen here. They call me King James, aka Pastor James, the Daddy Gio of Lekute Point and Kill Ministry. I want to use this medium to wish this great man a happy birthday. Happy birthday to the Restoration Apostle, Apostle Johnson Suleman. Papa always use this word. The best way to show power is to empower people. And that is what he has been doing all over the years. Thank you, sir, for affecting lives. Thank you, sir, for giving we, your sons, feather to fly further as our father. We see what you have been doing tremendously, helping the life of the widows, helping the life of the youth, empowering people, in fact, providing social amenities, doing the work that government failed to do. Thank you very much, sir. On this your birthday, we want to wish you all the best. We want to wish you more productive years ahead. L'écoute.
It happened.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Papa.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.